Hello and welcome back to a page-by-page review of Dune by Frank Herbert. Today, page 110. This page consists primarily of dialogue between Paul Atreides and the housekeeper, Shout-Out Mapes. Within this page, we learn a little bit about Fremen culture from Shout-Out Mapes as she talks about the water burden because Paul saved her life, which she responds to which Paul responds that he saved both their lives because she was there to, kind of take the bullet for him. And Shout-Out Mapes, Paul tells her to contact Hawat's men and to seal off the ground so they can find the operator of the Hunter Seeker, and that Shout-Out Mapes talks about there being this debt between them, and to repay it, she says they know there's a traitor amongst their ranks. Again, the Atreides keep hearing about this traitor left and right. Paul's a little confused, and she says they're not certain who it is, but they know there is somebody within them that's actively working towards the Atreides' demise. Again, we know as readers kind of who this is and what their plan is, and it's interesting to see the characters operate with this knowledge, and then Paul, assumably, heads off to destroy the Hunter Seeker and get rid of it somehow. And so we get a lot from this page, but it's a denouement-esque page of the chapter as we're ramping down from the conflict. And we get to see these lessons and kind of hints at what's to come for the Atreides family and see if they'll realize what's happening. If you are following along, let me know what you think, how you would go about searching for this traitor if you were operating with only the knowledge that Paul had. It's an interesting thing to be an outside observer and to know everything and the tension that brings as opposed to other narratives that don't, and how you can extrapolate that to your life if only we can know everything that was going to happen to us, or like how we're going to figure things out, whether that be a job or relationships. I don't know. There's a lot to learn from each page in Dune. And that's why we're doing this series. I hope you keep following along. Let me know how we can improve. But keep reading Dune by Frank Herbert.